I'm Claudia Aguirre. I work for GIZ in South Africa and I head the SAVax program. We work in partnership with the Department of Science, Technology and Innovation and support local manufacturing of vaccines along the entire value chain. The event today was really very exciting. It was really good to have all involved departments sitting at one table and speaking with industry and the regulator on all the opportunities of the ecosystem, but also on the challenges and bottlenecks. And we really look very forward to DSTI's leadership in this agenda and on the interdepartmental coordination. So I think for every South African, it's very important to know that both government and industry are working very hard to produce vaccines made in South Africa, for Africa, and for the world.